my natural hair, fresh out the shower, air dried last night. So you can see I do have texture. It is wavy hair, and it could definitely get curly with the right products. So it has been growing a lot. I haven't cut it. I do need a little bit of a trim, but I intend to grow it out super, super long. And it's also my virgin hair, so it's not painted. And I just really wanted to return back to my healthy hair, so I didn't want to add any color, and I just really wanted to let it do its thing. And I also want to name my hair because I feel like it has a mind of its own. This is not about making it complicated. I really want it to be super simple and anyone can do this. And I think our curly hair, natural hair routine should be as simple as possible. So as you can see, the first thing that I'm doing is just damping my hair with a little bit of water. So obviously you can do this routine after you get out the shower, but since I didn't do it last night, you can definitely do this when you wake up in the morning. Let's quickly talk about cleansing, which is so important for having beautiful wavy hair. So I am using a cleansing shampoo and a hydrating conditioner. These are from a brand called Ava and Avo, and I love their ingredients. I love their products. So these are the ones that I've been using religiously. And again, a cleansing shampoo is just going to remove buildup. You don't want to have any buildup on the scalp because it's going to weigh down your hair, especially if you have wavy hair. You really want it to be nice and cleansed so your roots can also lift up. And then of course, a hydrating conditioner or any mask is also highly recommended just to bring back more moisture, which is going to help define and eliminate frizz. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my monthly favorites from last video. This is the Caritas Curl Manifesto, and it's a really great defining gel, like a cream gel product, and it's just really good for hydration and defining the curls and eliminating frizz also. So I've been using this religiously as well, and I love the formula. It doesn't harden your hair, so you have beautiful tousled, beautiful wavy hair. So what you can do is section your hair off, but I like to start at the bottom and then just start by applying the product. This curl cream works better if you have damp or wet hair. You can run it through your hair like this, which is what I like, just to eliminate frizz. And then you can also, of course, do some scrunching, which is always really fun. That was one of my first videos on YouTube back in 2008, how to scrunch your hair. So we're taking it back, ladies. Can you believe we're here? Like almost 20 years later. What? I know. All right, so you take a little bit of this. Like I said, you can also section it off and then just start scrunching it section by section. So now your hair is going to air dry and it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous, right? Look at that. Next up, we're going to take it up a notch, and I'm gonna show you how. First, this is what I do. So if you wanna follow along or just do it however you want it. I like to part it to the side, right? Just so I can have more volume.
Oh, you look pretty.
Thank you.
Did you make sure the settings are on?
Huh? No, I'm using a different camera. So now I'm gonna show you a little tip to make yourself look even more polished, because if you have a lot of baby hairs and you don't do anything to them, the hair is gonna look a little bit more unruly. So, I mean, honestly, it's all about preference, right? But I'm gonna show you what I do in case you wanna do it. Follow along. Okay, so we're gonna take some edge control cream, which if you have baby hairs, you need to be having one of these. This is from Pattern, which is Tracy Ellen Ross's line of hair products. So she also has this brush for your baby hairs. And what you're gonna do is start by combing the baby hairs, right? Kind of laying them down a little bit and then brushing them back. And this already right here makes this look way more polished, right? And I'm so happy that there's so many videos on how to style natural curly wavy hair out in the YouTube internet world, because growing up I hated my curly hair, and now it's one of my favorite things about myself is my hair. Like, I literally love my hair. But we've come a long way. Okay, so you can see it already looks so much better. Okay, so this is pretty much how I would rock my hair if I was ready to go, right? So just like this. And like I said, once it air dries, it's gonna have a little bit more volume. It's not gonna stay looking wet, but it is going to stay looking defined and frizz-free. If we want to take it up a notch and maybe your wavy hair is kind of short and you're really longing for a long, beautiful, luscious, wavy, curly hair, I'm gonna show you what to do. So they didn't have this in the market back in the day, but now they have curly hair extensions and wavy hair extensions. And guess what, ladies? They have them in different colors also. So depending on your hair color, you can put these in. So every time I wear these, I get so many compliments. So many compliments. Girls are like, oh my God, Dulce, your hair. So I'm letting you know my secret so you can also have beautiful long hair. And people are like, even like teachers at my son's school, they're like, are you wearing extensions? I'm like, it's a wig. I'm wearing a wig. Sometimes I wear wigs to pick up my son from school, and he's like, that's not my mommy. Like the other time I wore a wig with bangs and like light brown, and he literally did not think it was me. He didn't even want to go with me. So you can see here, this is how long my hair is, and you clip these in the back, and you can already see how long it is. So this is the one with 4 clips. You put it in the back, and then you can see if I go like this, look at how long it already is and fuller. The set that I have comes with 2 more layers of 2 clips. And then for this layer, I do one right on this side. And I put my hair back, and it covers up the extension. It does feel a little bit heavier because you are carrying, you know, more hair. And then the last one that I do it like right here. I kind of part it a little bit off the middle, just so I can still keep it parted. And then I clip in the last one, like that. Add a little bit of water. And voila. So remember how I told you guys on my last video that I also love the mixed bar fragrances? Well, this one here, Pearl Blossom, these are also hair mists. So you can wear these as perfume for your hair. So if you want to smell even better, you just spray your hair, and when you walk by, you're gonna have a whiff of Pearl Blossom. You're gonna smell so good. And I hope you guys liked it. But yeah, this is the final look. This is what I've been rocking whenever I wear my long hair. You can see it blends in very nicely. As long as you have the same color, it's gonna look really good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, little tutorial. I hope you guys get a chance to try it out and rock your beautiful natural wavy or curly hair. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you guys down in the comments section. Of course, you can follow me at Sweet Soul on Instagram, also at Dulce Candy on TikTok, and all the places if you guys want to stay connected. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next